Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shopify dark mode. First, understand that implementing dark mode can significantly enhance user experience by reducing eye strain and potentially saving battery on OLED screens. It also offers a modern aesthetic that many customers appreciate. We'll cover the easiest methods to achieve this, ensuring your store looks great and is comfortable to browse, day or night. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find the online store option. Click on it and then select Themes. This will take you to your Themes page. Locate your current active theme and click the Customize button. This action opens the theme editor, where you can make visual adjustments to your store's design. Once in the theme editor, look for options related to color schemes or a specific dark mode toggle within your theme settings. Some modern themes include this feature directly. If your theme doesn't, you'll need to add custom CSS. Navigate to the theme settings or custom CSS section and input code to change background colors to dark shades and text colors to light ones, ensuring good contrast. After applying your dark mode settings or custom CSS, it's crucial to preview your store thoroughly. Check every page, including product pages, collections, and the checkout process, to ensure everything displays correctly and is easily readable. Look for any elements that might not have updated properly. Once you are satisfied with the appearance, click the Save button to publish your changes and make dark mode live for your customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.